Hello everyone, it is your girl Linda Sims of Let's Mess It Up Soul Line Dancing of New Orleans, Louisiana, and I am here to present the line dance Fed Up. The song is Fed Up, the artist is Jay Sean Tate, the choreographer is Cecily Green. If you are someone you know is interested in cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674. And as a friendly reminder, if you're interested in learning step-by-step instructions, please watch this video to the end and I'll pin the instructional right here. And let's go. You gotta love it. You gotta love that Cecily, guys. Fed Up. So remember, I'm gonna pin the instructional at the end if you're interested in learning the step-by-step instruction. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you the next time.